Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, in this question, we have the Earth, it's rotating, it's moving with a velocity of about 107,000 kilometers per hour. Its radius is about 6,371 kilometers, and it's rotating with an angular velocity omega of about 7.29 times 10 to the minus 5 radians per second. We want to know the velocities of points A, B, C, and D. So we know that the magnitude of the velocities of each of these velocities, A with respect to O, will all be equal. So I'm just going to write two of them right here, but they're all the same. And that's just going to be the radius times omega. So if we multiply these together and convert into kilometers per hour, and the reason we want kilometers per hour is because that's what our original velocity was in. So this just makes life a little bit simpler for us. We end up with about 1,672 kilometers per hour. And again, this is also the same as V of C given O and V of D with respect to the origin. Now these are just the magnitudes. When we actually want to find what the velocity of A is, we need to make sure we add in the components. So the velocity of A will just be V0, which V0 is only in the j hat direction here, where j hat is up and I hat is to the right. Then we have to add in then V of A with respect to the origin, which in this case will be to the left, so that's the negative I hat direction. So in other words, VA is simply going to be negative 1672 I hat, and then plus the 107,257 kilometers per hour in the j hat direction. VB will do something similar, but now we have nothing in the I hat direction at all, because the sorry, one second, I'm going to rewrite the above equation just to match how I wrote it. No, I won't do that because V0 in this case corresponded with that 107,000 in the j hat direction, but I just usually write j hat after the I hat, and that's why they came down in this order. So for VB, we have a similar equation, V0 plus VB with respect to the origin, or the center of the Earth. So V0 is that 107,000, but now we have VB, which is going in the negative j hat direction. So from that 107,000, we'll have to subtract 1,672, and that gives us about 105,585 kilometers per hour. VC we'll have the same story, just we'll use VC given with respect to the origin. VC is, of course, to the right, so that's the positive I hat direction. So if it's the positive I hat direction, it'll look a lot like VA, except we'll have a positive 1,672 in the I hat. And then plus the 107,257 in the j hat direction. Oops, VD will now be the 1,672 plus the 107,000. And if we add those two together, that gives us 108,929 in the j hat direction. And all of these are in kilometers per hour, of course.